Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys this holiday gift and decoration ideas from Burlington. And before I start this video, I just want to request you all to please subscribe to my channel and hit this notification bell to support me. And if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Now let's begin the video. So I recently went to the Burlington close to my home and I found such good items. I thought I would share this with you guys. This is the candle holder and I think it's a simple one to decorate your dining table. Just put it as a centerpiece there. I love all type of trays, but this one is my favorite, the one with the crystal and mirror work. I really like this crystal work, this type of crystal work. I even found the here is another one for the decoration. I saw this one, and then there is one box type, and I think this will look good. I can put one in my bathroom and then one in my kitchen and one in my dining area. It will look really nice. And these are the candle holders, which are quite simple, but it's quite decorative. I really like this one as well. I think it will look good if you put a tea light candle inside it and then just turn off the lights, and it will look so cozy and relaxing. Trust me. I wanted to get this, but since I don't have enough space in my room, I just avoided it for now. They also had this crystal work candle holder, and this one was very long. I really like this one, and I think this type of candle holder will look beautiful in front of the fireplace or at the corner table of your living room. And they have these decoration items in gold color also, just like silver. Like you can see here the crystal work in gold, and it was looking very nice. You can just decorate according to your house theme. And this one, I don't know what was this. It was kind of very random. Should we call it eggs? So yeah, these are the candle holders. Most of them were very beautiful. I like most of them. And it's good to gift also, or to just decorate your home with it. And here are the trays that I really like, especially this the one in the front. These are the one I really like, and I feel like this is the bohemian style. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not, but this looks like a bohemian style to me. And I think it's good if you want to serve people with some drinks. You can put glasses or cups there. It will look very nice, and you can gift it to them as well. I really like this bicycle. If I had the console table near my front door, I would have bought this one. This is very random, but I really liked it. And with this, I like these type of trays to keep on the console table near the door, so that I can put my keys, my sunglasses, and everything there. So I think it's really good. I have those two trays, but I don't have a console table near my front door. Anyways, moving on, here are the Christmas decor items. These are very light, very light. I thought it's very heavy, but when I hold it, it was very light. And the price is also very good. This is also a good candle holder to place in front of your fireplace, or just by the Christmas tree. So I like that one. This one is also very nice. It's a simple one. You can just hang it, and I like this one a lot. It's in silver color. I guess that's why you can keep it on your dining table as a centerpiece. And these are the silver made like tree, glitter tree, and these were also very light and very good price. They have the same one here, which is more like a snow tree. These were good and light also, but the thing with these are the glitters were coming off very easily, and even the sequins were coming off very easily. So I thought like it's not a good idea if you are trying to place it somewhere where you put your hand most of the time, like a corner of the kitchen or something. Then you will have glitter, and you might have glitter on your face whole day. So on one side they had all the silver decor items, and the other side they had the gold decor items. You can just choose according to your room color tone and Christmas theme. And they also had everything in white also. Here you can see mostly everything in white, some grayish silver, but other than that it's all white. I really like this candle holder as well. This has more like pearl work. It's not actually pearl. It was very light but looks like pearl. And this one was very weird to me. I really didn't like this one, to be honest. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to offend anyone, but that looked like more like a bristle to wash bottles. Anyways, this is also a very good item to give to your kids or to someone else, but please make sure you gift it before Christmas. This is the milk bottle and cookie plate, which was very cute. And here are the cute mugs. You can of course gift it to anyone or just use it for yourself. I love drinking hot chocolate and these type of cups with marshmallows on it. It totally gives me the holiday vibes. So here are some more gift ideas. These are the stackable cups and these look so neat. So if you can even put it on your counter table and this will not look like a messy counter. You see this has the to and from tag and this is only $9. I couldn't believe my eyes. These are so cute. You can see this floral print and then there were some polka dot print on the back as well. So there were many different types of designs. Here are some polka dot cute sugar and cream mugs, and these are also a very good gift items for husband and wife. If they are recently married, you can give it to them. And then there's for dog mom and dog dad. Very different types of items were available, and it was very good gift idea. Then there is this dishes. These are good to give for two couples. It's 4.99. And it was really nice. It was very good quality. Then there's this Lazy Susan, which you can use for your holiday for when guests come, or you can just gift it to people. To be honest, I don't like when they call it Lazy Susan. I wonder why this is called Lazy Susan. If anyone knows, let me know in the comment below. But I really feel weird. I mean, like, why Susan? Why not Sam? So anyways, yeah, this is also a very good gift item, or just use it at your home when the guests come. Okay, so I know this is not a decor or gift item, but I just want to show you this here. I have been looking for this from a long time. This is really good if you want to keep your chopping board separate from cutting veggies to meat, so that you don't get cross contamination. This was a very good price, and you can see this is so thin it can easily fit anywhere. And I already bought one from Walmart, so I just passed on it. Now, I don't want to offend anyone, but I found this item to be very ridiculous because this one has one side to pour stuff and then the other side to measure. I thought, like, why not just make one side a big side and then you can do the measurement on the same side, because anyhow you can just use one side at a time. So this was, I think it was a wastage. I thought so. Anyways, moving on, these are also very good gift ideas. These are $20 dinnerware set and this serves 4 people, 16 pieces. And I have this spoon and fork tray and I'm loving it right now. I really like this one also. If you have liking for earthy tone, you can get this one. I wanted to get it for my kitchen sink area to keep my dish soap, my hand soap and sponges. Anyways, they also had some good glass set for a good price. I saw this decanter set with 7 pieces decanter set for $8. So it's a decanter and 6 pieces glass, and this one was awesome. And also I like this single pieces like this one, for you can give it to your wife, girlfriend, your best friend, anyone. I'm sure they will like it. This is just for $7. And then they had the dad ones and other different types of glasses. These were also very good price, so this is also very good gift ideas, or you can just keep it for your home when the guests arrive. Anyways, this is my video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and happy holidays.